how to link EA and Twitch account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can link EA and Twitch account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to link your EA and your Twitch account, all you have to do is open your browser and just go to this website, which I'll make sure to drop a link below, which is ea.com/twitchlinkin. I repeat, ea.com/twitchlinkin, and hit the enter button to come to this as well. Now, once you come to ea.com/twitchlinkin, it will ask you to confirm with your EA account as well. So if you're not signed in with the EA account, you might want to go ahead and then sign in using those details as well. So let the web page to load up successfully first of all over here. And once it has been loaded up, make sure you are signed in with your Twitch account, and also make sure that you are signed in with your EA account. As you do that, on the next specific page, it will ask you to simply confirm that whether this is the accounts that you want to link. So you can see this interface and then tap the link account option here in order to successfully link them. This way you'll be able to link EA and Twitch account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.